I've been working with Autodesk products for almost 30 years, using Revit as a BIM engineer in execution. And then the latest 5 to 6 years transferring from BIM 360 to AC and all the whistles and bells that go along with it. Early stages, I think we can compare it to the fact that we were all separate islands working on their own. Transferring to the cloud, BIM 360 ACC really accelerated the way people collaborate together more easily, more effortlessly, but also the amount of data has exploded. So there are a lot of different insights, a lot of different things to look at stuff. I'm really enthusiastic about AI itself as well, but we still need to see if we can pick the fruits out of AI itself in the future. And the main title is Closing the Safety Loop. And it's about how we invested in 2025, invested a large amount of time and effort into getting mature and golden status data or surrounding safety from the job sites. And we noticed a setback happening by the end of the year because we were logging a lot of issues on safety, but none of them were resolved into action items on the job site itself. And we integrated with an instant messaging system, WhatsApp, which everybody knows, to get actions done on the job site and not just logged in ACC. I think nowadays there are a lot of software applications and every company uses another one, and we try to present an example at IBENS using ACC, having a common data environment. But in the end, we still need to convince our subcontractors or suppliers to start working with ACC whilst they're working in their own systems. And I think WhatsApp, for example, is a universal system that everybody uses. And so it's really about empowering our subcontractors and suppliers to work with us via the connection that we made, and not just forcing ACC onto them, but also working together with them. There's actually AI in the connection that we made between ACC and WhatsApp, in that way that we don't just push we don't just push the details of the issue in a WhatsApp message to the subcontractor, but we transfer it via an LLM into a readable text message that really appeals to their need to take action. And I think AI can facilitate a lot of more humane interactions than just technological ones. In this use case, it is actually the opposite. It is really about the human interaction and the human appeal to not just log safety issues, but to resolve them on the job site via an instant message sent to WhatsApp and passing by an LLM to get the human appeal to work. I'm excited to go speak and bring my case, of course, together with my colleague, but I'm also excited to hear about what other people are bumping into, how they're solving technological challenges, but also the human aspect. How do we get our companies or our people working in the companies to be able to adopt everything that's changing around them, to see how their skills are advancing, to get used to the new way of working. There are some exciting technological changes. AI is everywhere, but we need to tackle the majority of them to be able to pick the fruits and be successful in the future. So integrations is one of my focus areas. Along with my colleague, we are also deep diving into how we can get our software landscape integrated with a lot of ACC products. Estimate, Forma is one of our focus areas as well. So it's integrations, change management, and AI. There are three major topics that I'm interested in. Make it so that your CFP or the call for proposal tackles an issue that we really have on the job site itself. Make it so that there's a human factor in it. Make it an integration and a human factor. In the end, it's people that need to do the job. And if we lose those, then nothing gets happened on the job site. But if you really want to augment the way you're working right now and push past the boundaries that you have in your current software work environment, then you should really attend DevCon, because it's all about integrations and working together, solving big problems together.